Hey, after this lesson, inshallah, you will be able to make your own sentences using maxaa for what and rabtaa for want. Maxaa rabtaa? The sentence structure is very easy. Just start with the question word maxaa and add the verb want, rabtaa, maxaa rabtaa, which means what do you want? And remember, in this case, it's just for you. Maybe if you're going to say, what does Ahmed want? Or what does Aisha want? The verb want should change as we learned in the past lesson. So for I, Rabah, for you, Rabta, for we, Rabna, you many people, Rabteen, for they, Raban, for he, Rabah, and for she, Rabta. Now let's see the rest pronouns using maxaa with verb want. Alright, repeat after me so that you can do the best results. Maxaa rabaa, maxaa rabaa, maxaa rabaa, maxaa rabtaa, maxaa rabtaa, maxaa rabtaa, maxaa rabtiin, maxaa rabtiin, maxaa rabtiin, maxaa rabnaa, maxaa rabnaa, maxaa rabnaa, maxay rabaan, maxay rabaan, maxay rabaan, muxuu rabaa, muxuu rabaa, muxuu rabaa, maxay rabtaa, maxay rabtaa, maxay rabtaa, warsame muxuu rabaa, warsame muxuu rabaa, warsame muxuu rabaa, habboon maxay rabtaa, habboon maxay rabtaa, habboon maxay rabtaa, warsame iyo habboon maxay rabaan, warsame iyo habboon maxay rabaan, warsame iyo habboon maxay rabaan. Now, there are two things to make sure when you learn in this. When you use waxaa rabaa, that means I want. When we use maxaa rabtaa, that means what do you want? So maxaa is what, waxaa is I want. So if you're going to say I want, say waxaa rabaa, don't say maxaa rabaa. And if you're going to say what do you want, use maxaa rabtaa, don't say waxaa rabtaa. That is a very good point. Now, let's make questions and answers using maxaa and the verb want. Maxaa rabtaa walaal? Waxaa rabaa biyo. Look, in formal Somali or realistic Somali, we never say waxaa rabaa biyo, I want some water, or we never say waxaa rabaa bug, waxaa rabaa lacag. We just say the answer or the noun. So if someone says to you, maxaa rabtaa, what do you want? Just say the noun or the answer. That's very good in Somali. You just want to say biyo. Maxaa rabtaa mobile. Maxaa rabtaa lacag. So it's funny in Somali if you say waxaa rabaa mobile, waxaa rabaa lacag, waxaa rabaa book. Sounds like unrealistic Somali or textbook Somali. That's why in Somali it's always the best to make the shortest answer. Very good example is when Somali people greeting each other, they say see tahay. They never say sidee tahay. So sidee tahay is the long form and it's textbook Somali, and see tahay is the short one that we use every day. And that's what I call realistic Somali. Use the shortest possible answer. Now let's read the questions and answers. So repeat after me. Maxaa rabtaa warsame? Maxaa rabtaa warsame? Maxaa rabtaa warsame? Waxaa rabaa boorso. Waxaa rabaa boorso. Waxaa rabaa boorso. Maxaa rabtaa habboon? Maxaa rabtaa habboon? Maxaa rabtaa habboon? Waxaa rabaa lacag. Waxaa rabaa lacag. Waxaa rabaa lacag. Maxaa rabtiin ciyaal? maxaa rabtiin ciyaal maxaa rabtiin ciyaal waxaa rabnaa buskud waxaa rabnaa buskud waxaa rabnaa buskud maxay rabaan maxamed iyo saalax maxay rabaan maxamed iyo saalax maxay rabaan maxamed iyo saalax waxay rabaan quraac waxay rabaan quraac waxay rabaan quraac. Now that isn't a realistic Somali when you answer in a full form. When you say waxaa rabaa boorso waxaa rabaa lacag. So let me ask again those questions, and we're gonna try to say only the noun or only the answer without saying waxaa rabaa. Alright, the first question. Imagine now this is warsame and we're going to ask maxaa rabtaa warsame boorso. That's the answer we make in real Somali. We never say waxaa rabaa boorso. Maxaa rabtaa habboon lacag. Maxay rabaan maxamed iyo saalax quraac. Now it's a short quiz. I'm gonna show you on the screen a picture and I will ask you 3 times maxaa rabtaa, which is what do you want. So I will show you the picture, so just say the short answer. If I show you a book, say book or waxaa rabaa book, but I would prefer to say the short answer. Okay, let's do the quiz. It's only 3 questions. Are you ready? Alright. maxaa rabtaa Okay, I think you said waxaa rabaa lacag or just lacag. Alright, the second one. Abdi muxuu rabaa Okay, I think you said wuxuu rabaa banooni or wuxuu rabaa kubad, or the short answer kubad or banooni. The third one. Aisha maxay rabtaa Okay, I think you said waxay rabtaa gelato, or only the short answer gelato. Now, as usual, do your assignment. Answer these questions as Somali and write on the comment section. So the way of assignment is, I will say a question, for example, maxaa rabtaa, and I will give you a brackets, then I will add the answer or the noun there. So you're gonna say waxaa rabaa plus that noun. For example, if I say maxaa rabtaa, and as you can see we have brackets, so in the brackets we have boorso. So that's the answer you're gonna use. So you're gonna say waxaa rabaa boorso, or only the short answer boorso. But to practice this, you're gonna say waxaa rabaa boorso, but you have to know that's not realistic Somali. In real life, you're gonna say just boorso. So go to somewhere you can do your notes. Write first maxaa rabtaa, and then write down all of them on the comment section so that I can check your answers. So question number 1. maxaa rabtaa walaal. In the brackets we have biyo. Question number 2. habboon maxay rabtaa. And in the brackets we have mobile. Question number 3. Farax muxuu rabaa. In the brackets saacad. Question number 4. Zainab maxay rabtaa. And in the brackets we have kabo. I hope you will do all those assignments on the comment section. And maybe you would like to record your voice note and send maybe somewhere in a group so that the teacher can know whether your pronunciation of Somali is good or not. If that's also what you're willing, I am 100% sure that recording voice notes take a very good role while learning a new language. So, should I make a new Telegram group for us? Or maybe a WhatsApp group? If that will help you, I will do that as well. So let me know on the comment section. And if you don't know about using the verb rabaa, want, like using when we say I want rabaa for you, rabtaa, they rabaan, he rabaa, she rabtaa, I made an entire video about that. Check this video right now and I will see you in the next lesson.